Okay, hello friends. So today we'll discuss ETL in Pig. I already told you in my last video how to load data from local or from HDFS to Pig. Okay, but this was only unstructured data. I mean to say in file format, not unstructured, it's a file format. Now we will try to change data from file format to tabular format, right? So for this, what is the meaning of ETL? Extract, transform and load? I mean to say open data, then change data one format to another format and then load the data. Okay, so just open my software Cloudera. Okay, and I already told I already in pig local mode, right? So firstly I load data, load from where? From desktop. Okay, now okay, then I declare the structure of table as my table as, and firstly I just watch the I have to watch the my file contain three fields. First and last is the numeric and the second one is the string. Okay, so just watch as id. I just suppose first field is my id. Okay, and it is in integer format. Second one is name and it is in where sorry char array. Char array is a string format. Now third one is also an integer. I just suppose salary. Okay, any problem? No. Enter. There is no error message, it means it correct. So just use dump command, dump x. Okay, watch, wait and watch. Okay, let's say blank. Why? Let's say runtime error. It's a runtime error because my file contain content but it's showing blank because it's a confuse. It's only a line. We can suppose because we have eyes but computer don't have eyes, so we can suppose it's a first field, it's a second field and it's a third field, but computer how to decide computer it's a first and second. So we have to tell the computer it's a first column and it's a second column. Okay, so for this we have to pass some another option, another option. Okay, there is a function pig storage. Pig storage decide the separation of line. Okay, so my line, my column is separated by comma, storage, right? Now okay, oh, using sorry, we have to use another keyword, using pig storage. Okay, there is no error message. Now again dump x, wait and watch. Come on baby, yes. Okay, it's showing a data. You can say it's a previous data. It's a we have already I already showing you same data in my last video, but it's you can say but it's a different data. It's a table format and that was a file format. Okay, it was a paragraph but it is a table. Okay, now you can test. You can use describe command. Describe what? Describe x. it describes the total format of table. Okay, now you can test the previous data, it will never showing this structure. Okay, so just try to explain it. Okay, now it's a simple program. Just what is just practice it. Okay, and subscribe, and I mean to say follow this poster, right? Thank you.